Hi,
Oh my
Ryan.
God, I have so many embarrassing moments. Especially, you know what? I took a shower 1 month. I thought it's body wash, but you know what? After 1 month, my housemate told me, Ryan, that's feminine wash.
Feminine wash.
I took a feminine wash. I used feminine wash 1 month for my body.
And for
Yeah,
your face.
oh my God, for my face, everything.
How does it feel?
Yeah, honestly, before I know that's the meaning of feminine wash, I love it. I like it. Actually, you should try it. It's nice. Honestly, it's nice. It's pretty good. But after my housemate told me the meaning of feminine wash, exactly meaning of feminine wash, I cried that night. I couldn't sleep. Oh my God.
Ayun, grabe mga tambayers. 1 month niyang ginamit yung feminine wash na
I thought it's body wash.
panligo. Okay, galing ah. So that's one of your most embarrassing.
Most embarrassing.
Okay, how about you, Brett?
Definitely when they dressed us up like babies.
Oh.
Giant diaper, everything, the baby clothes, and then we had to put our face in powder looking for like a bottle. Then we had to crawl and everything. Terrible.
Yan, okay. Kung ganun kayo, kung sakaling walang camera doon, okay lang ba sa iyo yung ginawa mong yon?
It'd be the same.
Ganun din, talagang naka-ear. Ear talaga. So, hindi ba naiilang sa dami ng mga, hindi kayo naiilang sa dami ng hidden camera sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya?
At first, Mark was kind of scared of the cameras, but then, wala na. After a while, okay, anything you wanna do,
Yeah.
lakad pa.
Especially in shower room and here, there is a camera first time. It's weird, just for the first day, and like after 1 week, we talking to camera when we are taking shower. Hey, look at me! Look at my body! We enjoy it.
Yeah.
We enjoy it.
So, at ease na kayo dahil may camera na.
You can
Ayan.
talk to the cameras.
Yeah, we
sub sa
can talk to
camera.
camera. Yeah.
Ayan, alright. Ayan, sino ang pinaka namimiss mo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya? Brett?
Actually, I'm with the housemates all the time, so wala pa.
Wala pa. Hindi mo pa nararamdaman na may
not
namimiss
yet.
ka. How about you, Ryan?
I miss Kuya.
You miss Kuya?
Kuya.
Ayan. Have you met Kuya already?
Yeah, no, we didn't
No,
really.
hindi talaga.
We really want,
Secret.
yeah.
Hindi talaga, no? Hindi talaga nalalaman.
I hate this secret. Why they don't
Why
tell
can't
me?
they just introduce
Yeah.
us, diba? What the?
Baby, they know Brett and Ryan. We have big mouths.
Yeah,
and
we
if they
tell
told us,
Oh my God, I know Kuya.
Yeah, I know Kuya. Maybe, so they didn't tell us. Maybe.
Now that you're out here with us, okay, ano yung ina-expect nyong mangyayari sa career ninyo? Itutuloy mo pa ba?
Of course, si Ryan pa,
Wha-
tuloy pa.
Which career are you going to pursue, Ryan?
Oh, what?
Comedy.
Oh yeah,
Are you going to continue with
Yeah.
showbiz or
Yeah,
your studies?
actually now I'm studying in school like DRSU. Like every Monday to Thursday I will study in school, but Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yeah, I will like. I really want to have comedy movie. I want to make comedy movie. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, look at when I watch myself in mirror, it's very funny already. I think I can make. Yeah, I want to have comedy movie. Yeah, really.
All right. How about you, Brett?
Actually, I got a job with Mix as a VJ,
Mhm,
so
yeah.
hopefully it's extend so I can keep my dream job.
I'll watch you,
What,
Brett.
what,
Wow.
what if we offer your job here as a DJ?
Cool.
Pwede po.
I love
Pwede
it.
rin.
Yeah.
But you must learn more Tagalog
Yeah.
words
Actually, I'm studying
in
every
3
day.
days. So can you make it, Ryan?
I'm so sorry. My brain is not really working well.
Joke lang. All right. How about you, Brett?
Of course, I would take a job here. It's cool. Look at this place.
Yeah, Brett, VJ, the DJ Brett. Tapos si Ryan,
DJ Bang.
DJ Bang. Why Bang?
Ryan Bang.
Ryan Bang.
Ryan, DJ Bang. So you don't want to use any pseudonym?
DJ Ryan Sexy Pogi Bang.
Yun. Pogi Bang. Sexy Pogi Bang.
I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Alright. O siya, sige, ako mga tambayers, bibigyan natin ng oras si Brett para hawakan na yung gitara niya. Kaya naman, nako, 6:28, yan na po ang ating tamang oras. Pinagpapawisan na po ako rito, magpupunas lang po ako ng pawis. Dahil hindi ko ho araw-araw na ginagawa to, baka mamaya magkukulaps na ako. Nag-i-English ako dito ng nagno-nosebleed na ako rito. Yan, salamat kay Brett, tinutulungan niya ako kaya kay Ryan. Alright, at syempre yung mga questions nyo, ha, yung mga messages nyo para kay Brett and Ryan, syempre i-text nyo na po dito yan sa TNBYNGREET. Yan po ay Tambayan Greet, space ang inyong message, space ang inyong pangalan na location at isend sa 2366. Alright? O siya, sige, magbabalik po kami agad-agad. Eto na muna si Brett, pasisiklaban tayo. Siya ang mabibigyan ng break dito sa Tambayan 101.9. San ka pa? Kasama niyo po ako. Ako po si Arnold Ray. Brett, take it